Hi everyone, we're going to learn how to draw Lewis dot structures of various compounds. The three molecules are C2H4, HCN, and BBr3. When we do any Lewis dot structures, there are some basic premises I follow. First, draw the Lewis structure of all atoms. Second, determine the center shell atom. It typically is the atom that can make the most bonds. Third, determine the total number of valence electrons in the substance. If necessary, if any atom lacks an octet, make double or triple bonds where applicable. In C2H4, C has 4 valence electrons and H has 1 valence electron. C can make up to 4 bonds, H can up to 1 bond. The total number of valence electrons equals 2 times 4 for the carbon plus 4 times 1 for all H atoms for a total of 12 valence electrons. Since it is a symmetrical molecule, each C has 2 H atoms with 2 C atoms making a chemical bond between them. With C as the center atom, first make a bond between C and H and C to C. Now to satisfy the octet on C, another bond is needed between the carbon atoms. Note, H can only have a duet or 2 electrons. In HCN, H has 1 valence electron, C has 4 valence electrons, and N has 5 valence electrons. H can make up to 1 bond, C up to 4 bonds, and N up to 3 bonds. The total number of valence electrons equals 1 for H plus 4 for carbon plus 5 for nitrogen for a total of 10 valence electrons. With C as the central atom, first make a chemical bond between H and C, and then one between C and N. Complete the octet by adding 6 dots per N atom. Note, H can only form a duet or 2 total electrons around the atom. To satisfy the octet around the C atom, 2 pairs of electrons around the N atom move towards C, and as a result, a triple bond is made. In BBr3, B has 3 valence electrons, and Br 7 valence electrons. B can make up to 3 bonds, and Br up to 1 bond. The total number of valence electrons equals 3 times 7 for Br plus 3 for B, for a total of 24 valence electrons. With B as the central atom, make a bond with each Br. Complete the octet by adding 6 dots per Br atom. Note, B can lack an octet since it can only have a total of 6 electrons around the atom. I hope you have enjoyed this exercise on drawing Lewis dot structures. Have a great day.